Growing your own food is really an amazing feeling and most rewarding use of your balcony space. And it is not always necessary to have a big space to grow a vegetable. You can create your small vegetable garden in very small space in your balcony or on terrace, and you will have continuous supply of fresh vegetable from your garden. So in today's video, I am going to share step-by-step process for growing your own vegetables. Why to grow your own vegetables? Vegetable from your garden is freshest one you can get. Freshness of vegetable depends on the number of hand it passes through. Food safety and guarantee. I think I need not to explain this because whole world is going towards the safe food. Now what is safe food? Food that has grown without use of chemicals and pesticides. Choice of vegetables. I think growing your own vegetables gives you flexibility to grow your favorite vegetables throughout the year. My kid loves spinach and bhendi, so I will try to grow these vegetables throughout the year. And for me, time spent on gardening is always better than other entertainment. And parents and kids get a chance to work together in gardening, and they will know the journey of food from farm to fork. And definitely you will get morning dose of vitamin D to stay fit and active. How to start vegetable garden? To start a vegetable garden, first thing you have to check is the location of your balcony. I have two balconies. One is northeast facing, where I am growing all my foliage ornamental plants because they need less sunlight compared to flowering and vegetable plants. And second one is east west facing, which gets good amount of sunlight, where I am growing all flowering plants and vegetables, because all flowering plants and vegetables need good amount of sunlight to produce quality of vegetables and flowers. So I was telling about first thing you have to remember is the location of your balcony and how much sunlight it gets. Here one thumb rule you have to remember is that all fruit vegetables like bhendi, brinjal, tomato, chilies, they need maximum amount of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours to produce quality of vegetables. All root vegetables like radish, potato, carrot, turnip, they can be grown in an area which receive at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, and you can grow successfully leafy vegetables in an area which can receive 4 hours of direct sunlight. I can say that light quality is directly linked to your vegetable quality. Of course, they will come in low light area, but the quality of vegetable would not be so good. So, according to your light availability, select the vegetables that you want to grow. So, I would suggest better to start with easy and fast growing vegetables. All leafy and root vegetables take around 1 to 2 months from sowing to harvesting, and all other fruits vegetables take 3 months for harvesting. After sunlight, you have to consider about soil mix, because for growing vegetables, good soil with good amount of organic matter is key to growing healthy and disease free vegetables. For soil mix, I use 30% garden soil, 30% compost. I generally use vermicompost, 20% coco peat, and remaining 10% neem cake. Organic manure improves the soil quality and provides a continuous source of nitrogen and other nutrients. Coco peat helps to retain moisture in the soil, and seed can easily penetrate in light medium. And addition of neem cake will protect seed from soil-borne disease. Also, it will control pathogenic nematode present in soil. Once you select the vegetables that you want to grow, then select the pots according to your vegetables. Generally, for all root and fruit vegetables, use at least 2 feet deep pot because most of them have deep root system, and for leafy vegetables you can use rectangular one with at least 1 feet deep. So these are the 3 things you have to consider before setting up your vegetable garden. Once you are ready with this, then you are ready to start your own vegetable garden. Now I will show you my vegetable garden, what I am growing. So here I am growing tomato, chili, brinjal because this side will get more sunlight, and here near the wall I am growing all leafy veggies because of low sunlight. Today I will be covering easiest and fastest growing leafy vegetables that you can enjoy throughout the year. I would suggest always plan your vegetable in such a manner that you always are harvesting something. For example, I would sow this palak seed in succession of every 15 days. So I will get continuous supply of fresh vegetables. Basically, sow something every week. Why methi and palak? First, of course, they are easy to grow, they are ready to harvest within 1 month, and I can enjoy them throughout the year. And they are integral part of my kitchen, and I believe any Indian kitchen you can prepare number of dishes from them. Besides that, they are packed with iron. Spinach is even higher in vitamins A, C, thiamine, potassium and folic acid, which is very important for every woman. If you are a budding gardener, there is no better way than to start with these leafy vegetables. Generally, seeds with hard coating like bhendi seeds or gourd seeds need to pre-soak in water for 24 hours before sowing for better and fast germination. But in case of methi and palak, no need to soak in water. Once your pots are ready with soil mix, just sprinkle the seeds on soil and cover them with thin layer of soil and water gently. They will germinate within a week. Regarding watering, all vegetables need frequent watering. So water them regularly, and best time to water is early in the morning before 10 am. Water the plants thoroughly till the water drains from the bottom of the container. Properly watering the plants can increase their chance of success. Keep in mind, soil should be moist, not soggy one. So water vegetables regularly whenever you see topsoil dry to touch. About fertilizer, as plant grows, they feed on the nutrients that are available in soil. As a result, depletion in the nutrients. So please apply a handful of compost or manure every 10 to 15 days to the container to keep the soil healthy. And inspect the garden regularly to avoid pest attack. Most common pests are sucking pests like aphids, mealybugs, mites, which can attack the vegetables, and that can be controlled by spraying neem oil solution once in a week. And don't forget to cover both sides of the leaves while spraying. Also, you can grow pest repellent plants like marigold, mustard or garlic in vegetable garden to avoid pest attack. And visit your vegetable garden frequently. Your plants also need to see you to grow well. And you will have your first harvest of fresh bunch of leafy vegetables within a month. Harvest leafy vegetables gently and enjoy the delicious recipes with your family. I hope this video will inspire you to start your own vegetable garden. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, happy gardening.